Another Flutter tutorial. In today's episode, let's learn how we can improve our user interface right here. So in the last video, we learned how to create this list of widgets. We selected a list view widget and we created this list of categories. As you can see, when the user clicks in one category, we are able to show which one was selected. So in this episode, let's focus how we can improve this layout a little bit more so we can have this layout as we have right here in our design. As you can see, we are only showing the background color for the select item, and when the user selected, we also changing the color of the text. And for the remaining items, we just have right here the text displayed. So let's see how we can achieve this in this video right here. So the first thing I want to do is come right here inside of this widget right here, category item list widget, and then we'll do some changes inside of this box decoration. The first thing I want to do right here is when the items is selected, still will be displayed as black as background color, but now instead of showing a background color, I will change this to be transparent. So when the user is not selecting this option, no background color will be added. The second thing I want to do is remove this border right here. You can come inside of this border class right here, and then for the color, when the user selected, will show the border color to be gray, but when it is not selected, this will be transparent. So no border will be displayed. Now as you can see, all the items are gone, but the text is still here, but the problem is that our text is using a color of white. So what we'll do is copy right here the same condition. Let's go inside of our text widget, then go inside of this text style class. Before the color property, paste your condition. So when the item is selected, we will display the color as white. Otherwise, we'll use colors dot black. Save everything. So as you can see right here, our layout is looking the same as we have right here inside of our Figma file. So now I also want to do some changes inside of this category all right here. As you can see, the border for these items are very thick. I want to make it a little bit thin. So for that, we can open our widget right here, category all item list, and then inside of this border class, after the color, call the width property, and let's say for the value will be 0.3. Add a comma, save it, and now you can see the border is becoming more subtle because we decrease the size of the width. So with all these in change, another thing I want to do is do some changes inside of our model for our cars. If you notice right here, we don't have any property that we are able to specify the image. So for that, let's create a new property. This will be of type list of strings, and then call this car image. So now we'll use this list to provide all the images related to a car. So come right here after the car model, call the require this dot and call the right here the car image. Add a comma, save everything. I will add a static list for cars, so we are able to create grids right here in this section. But as we move forward in this tutorial series, we'll learn how we can call web service to get our data from the web service and display inside of our Flutter app. So for that, I already have created this list, so I will just copy and paste this list right here so we can save some times. But now I have to add our list of images right here for our card. So you come right here, call the image, and this will be equal to an empty list for now. So just copy everything. Let's paste it right here for all of these objects right here. So in this list, there is nothing special about it. We have right here the ID for the car. We have the brand, the year, the model, the image, and then in which category each object is presented. And this is the price for daily rating. And then we have right here the specification object. We are providing right here the number of seats, number of door, the type of fuel, type of transition, and if this is unlimited or limit mileage. We also have to add another property right here, and this will be of type boolean. So bool is available. So for this, each property we have to specify if this car is available for rent or not. So just paste it right here, add a comma. Now we have to provide the value for each one of them right here. So is available, this will be true. So now copy and paste it for all of these cars right here. So now we have right here our object, and then the constructor right here are the properties belonging to this object car. This is the constructor where we have to provide all the values or the data for this car. And here is the list. So in the next video, let's learn how we can change right here this placeholder in this section and create grid in Flutter. Grid is another way of laying out items instead of using a list. You can use grids when you want to specify items in the row and color direction. So this is it for this video. If you find this video useful, give a like and subscribe for more Flutter videos. And if you have any question, leave a comment. I'll reply to you as soon as possible. See you on the next one.